Welcome back to the Queen's English House tutorial lessons. Today, we are learning bilabial sounds, which is the first chapter of consonant sounds. In this chapter, there are 4 sounds which are pronounced as B, P, N, W. The first 2 sounds are plosives according to manner of articulation, because when we are pronouncing these sounds, we allow the air to come to the mouth and then we block it and then we release it with a puff. The third sound is a nasal sound, because during production of the sound, the air is allowed to go through nose. So a sort of nasalization is produced. And the fourth sound, W sound, is an approximant. It's a half consonant sound and half vowel sound. Now, let's take a look at some examples. Listen to the sound and repeat after me. B. Again. B. Here are the examples. Bay, bear, burst. Sound number 2. P. Listen again and repeat. P. Take a look at some examples. Pear, pie, paycheck. Sound number 3. N. Listen again. N. Here are some examples. Moon, Mars, mess. And now the last sound, W. Listen again. W. This sound is called approximant because when we are pronouncing this sound, there is no proper contact between top and bottom lips. Let's take a look at some examples. Water, well, wheel. That's all about it from today's lesson. I'll see you soon with another lesson. Till then, stay connected.